Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to hide taskbar when full screen on Windows 10, so you can enjoy videos, games and apps without the taskbar showing on your screen. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This opens a quick menu where you can access taskbar-related settings. Step 2. Click on Taskbar Settings from the menu. This will take you to the Windows Settings page where taskbar behavior can be adjusted. Step 3. Look for the option called Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode. This setting controls whether the taskbar stays visible or hides when it's not being used. Step 4. Turn this option on by clicking the toggle switch. Once enabled, the taskbar should now stay hidden and only appear when you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.